Welcome to GB Side. This is our second lecture on Android Studio. In the first lecture, we discussed on the basic directory structure. If you didn't watch the previous lecture, let's go through on it. However, you can easily understand the basic directory structure of Android Studio. Today, I will discuss some basic things like button, text view, and EditText. Let's go to open the first project. Go to File, New, then select New Project. Select the empty activity, press enter, or click on finish button. Then processing, it will take a little bit second. Now you see this is our main activity.java and this is our XML file where we work the design part of our app, and here we work on the coding or backend language use. So let's start working on button, text view, and edit text. Go to activity main.xml. First we drag a text view, and I will introduce you about the button, text view, and edit text. A button is work the same. What do you want to press on the button? What should be the next? And after that, the text view. Text view is used to display text to the user and hopefully allow themselves to read it. And the edit text is a subclass of text view with editing operation, and also overlay on text view that configure itself to be edit. So this was the working of text view, edit text, and a button. So let's first delete these all things. Here we drag a button, and also we drag a text view at this part, and the plain text is not showing here. Edit text, here you show the edit text in the name of plain text, pl, yeah, here it is, plain text. Here we drag the plain text. Now open the design and record part in the same screen. First edit the button, so button name should be click me, and also change the size of text, size 20 sp, and after that text view say something. It means that first the text show that in the top says something. When you write there something and click on the button, it will pop up in the bottom of the button. And also it has also the ID. Here you see the button ID has a button, and the text view ID has the text view too. And we have edit text. Edit text just give a hint. Hint property is very important. Enter something, enter something. So this is the other, and also we give the size of text. Size, just write the size, the all activity will show at the screen. Size 30 sp. Size is also given in sp, and other things like the margin, top margin, width margin, bottom, these all things give in dp. You can see the constant based, we set the constant top left of the screen and right. Basically the constant represent what you show your element or other things in the design part. We connect this here, drag it a little bit bottom, and also right, left, connect with the edit text. Here you see. Let's see first on our project. Yeah, here you see, say something and enter something, say something, enter something. When we enter something here, when we click on the button, the message will be shown at the bottom of the button. Let for this activity we go to the main activity.java, and all the things declare here. Private button, give it a name ttn, click, and second we have edit private edit text, edit number, and also declare these two things in the onCreate method. btn is equal to find by id. Here we have r is a class dot id dot button id was I think button, and the second we have edit text, edit number is equal to find by id. Here we call the r dot id dot edit person. This is the id of the edit text. You can also change the id either you want to change the id of edit text or button. So this thing we have declared here. Now we make a method on button click. What will be opened when what will be show when we click on the button. So we make a public function, public void, we call it on button click. We give the name of our function. Now what should be action performed when we click on the button? So here we call the button btn click dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Here show we just show a message toast. DOST, toast. What is toast? Toast is a small pop-up notification. Basically, it displays information for the short period of time, which will disappear short in after a time. Here we just say message, hey, hey. Let's go to now and also call the main function in your on create method, the created function. Don't click method. Let's go to run our project again. It will, yeah, it's run. Now we click on the button. What will show after we click on the button? Here we click on the button. Hey, show. Hey, it show the message and suddenly this is disappear. Now we want to see if we write something here, and as we will click on the button, the same message which we have right here will be shown below button. So for that purpose we give a variable for our number. However, it will show when we click on the button. Now we write string variable, string. We give a name of a variable, show message is equal to, where show the message, edit number dot get text dot to string. here show a message. What message it show? Here we just remove the hey and write show message. Now we are going to run our project. Let's write something here. Hey, I am programmer. The message will be shown at this area as well. The previous message will show. Oh, we give a wrong name for our button. I call it click me. Now we write something here and I click on the button. Hey, I am the programmer. And I click on the button. No matter if the spelling mistake is occur because you want to learn the program. Android Studio. Hey, hey, I'm the programmer. Thank you. This is our second lecture on Android Studio.